Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and I'm about to do a ride along, but this is a special ride along. This is a fragrance that's been discontinued, and some people have been thinking about if they're going to get it or not. So I'm actually going to do a ride along with it so you can see if it's really worth the price. Right now, it is Jay-Z Gold. Now, when this fragrance came out, it was pretty cheap. It was probably like about $20, something like that, on the in the rack stores. But after a little while, when they got discontinued and people started knowing what it smelled like, price went up. Last time I checked, I think it may have been like a bottle like this is like maybe 300. So we'll talk more about that a little bit later. But right now, going with the sprays, my regular sprays. Get one on the back of the hand too. I'll get one on a couple on my shirt so we can be able to test the shirt a little bit later afterwards. And then, oh man, it does smell good, man. It smells a little bit more upscale. It's a bright, fresh kind of fragrance with a little bit of spiciness to it. But again, we'll talk a little bit more about that later on. Right now, it is 11:36, and the weather is, was that 76 degrees? I think it's supposed to get up pretty high today. It is 76 degrees. Yes, 76 degrees. If you can see that little symbol right down there. But anyway, so yeah. All right, let's check it out. See how it rolls. Is it worth it? We'll see after the end of the ride along. Roll with me. So, time for a check-in. I haven't been doing a whole lot so far today. I've been just kind of chilling, doing some editing, moving around the house a little bit. But right now it is 1:36, and the weather is 81 degrees. Is that right? Let's see. Yes, it's 81 degrees. If you can see the little 81 degrees there. So, fragrance has gotten really close to the skin. I can only smell it like if I put it up to my hand right now. It's only been 2 hours, and I asked my son if he could smell it. He said he could smell it, but it's not something that's jumping off my skin. He would have to be close to me to smell it. So with that being said, it seems like it's a little bit milder, but this is one of those fragrances that performs better in the heat or in sun directed light. So once I go outside, maybe it'll heat up and it'll do a little bit better. And I haven't been anywhere moving around warming up either. So, but the first half an hour, it was jumping off my skin. Like it was filling the room. Like it was dense. It was that bright freshness to it. It almost kind of gives me a vibe of like a the opening almost kind of gave me a vibe of like a Ralph Lauren's Purple Label. It almost kind of gave me that vibe with a little bit of spice in it. It's a little bit different. It's different than most fragrances that I've smelled, but keep rolling with me. We're gonna see how this thing do. See if it heats up a little bit, because I am gonna be going out in a little bit. All right. Time to check in. I am checking in. The fragrance has died down quite a bit. It's more of like a soft, sweet wood kind of vibe to it. Bug landed on me. And right now it is 412, and it says 83 degrees, but I think it's warmer than that right now. It is 83 degrees. But yeah, so the fragrance has died down quite a bit. It just smells more like I said, like a sweet like teak wood or something like that. And it's not projecting much at all. So I got cut off a little bit, um, trying to drive in traffic. But anyway, so the fragrance just kind of muted down. It's muted. I still smell it, but it's not projecting very much, and it's not jumping off my skin. So I'm not sure if I walk past someone, if someone's gonna be able to smell me or not. It's warm out here. It's heated up, so um, I'll keep you posted. And I'm getting ready to do some other things, but I'll keep you posted. All right, folks. So time for another check-in. Just got a good workout in the gym, and it is now 6:13, and the temperature's gotten a little bit cooler out right now. It's not as hot as it was. This is saying 74 degrees, 79 degrees. I'm not sure if that's correct though. Yeah, it is 79 degrees. So the fragrance is pretty much a skin scent now. I actually thought, because I was sweating so much, that it was going to be completely gone by now, but it still has the scent of like a soft teak wood, and it's really light, but I actually thought it would be completely gone by now because of all the sweating and everything, but it actually is still going.
well, I won't say it's still going. It's still on me. I thought it would be completely gone. It smells good. The dry down actually is a different scent completely than the opening, and I don't remember it being like that. But that's why we do ride alongs. All right. Okay, I'll wrap this up in a minute.
All right, we're back in, folks. Time to wrap this up. Just break down this whole fragrance, man. The fragrance, this Jay-Z Gold, it is actually a really nice fragrance. I don't know why that bottle is coming. Oh, there we go. It's a really nice fragrance, man. Even before the discontinuation of it, it was a good fragrance for a lot of people to pick up, and that's why a lot of people just went and grabbed it anyway, because it smells good. It smells definitely higher than what you paid for it back in the day, as far as like being $20 or so. But today, it didn't perform as well as I remember it performing. Maybe it did okay, but I can't remember. And then I didn't do a whole lot of sprays. I think I did like maybe like 2 on my arms or something like that, and then 1 behind my neck. I didn't do a whole lot of sprays to try to get a full effect of it. I just wanted to get like a little ride along, just something so you know if you get this fragrance, you can spray a little bit heavier, you can spray it lighter. But needless to say, I would say like around 5 or 6 hours, after about 5 or 6 hours, it was completely gone. It was like a skin scent. You can catch a little bit of the woods, a little bit on the skin if you put it up to your nose. But yeah, let's go into the notes. Let's check it out. Let's see what the notes are for Jay-Z Gold. And actually, let me tell you also about the scent. The scent, when I first put it on, it was kind of a fresh kind of like a citrus, but also kind of reminded me a little bit of Ralph Lauren's Purple Label. And I think because I think this fragrance has blueberry in it, and it just has that same kind of vibe. Not that it smells like it or it's a clone of it. It just reminded me of that scent. And then later on, after maybe about an hour or so, the first hour it was jumping off my skin like crazy. It was real strong. Then after an hour or so, it kind of got a little bit closer, and it got a little bit spicy. So I don't know what that was from. And then once it dried down, it just smelled like a wood, but not like your normal wood, not like a sandalwood or agarwood or a oud or anything like that. It smelled like some kind of sweet wood, like a dark, maybe a mahogany or teak wood or something like that. So it smelled really good, but it just wasn't coming off the skin too hard. If someone's really close up on you or laying on you or something like that, they would smell it. But other than that, nobody's gonna smell it. They're gonna smell you if you walk past them or anything like that. All that being said, let's jump into the notes. The top notes. For the top notes, we have blueberry, cardamom, grapefruit, and ginger. That's exactly what it smells like in the top note. That blueberry and the grapefruit. Well, actually, the grapefruit it doesn't come off like grapefruit. It kind of comes off like a bergamot, like a citrus. And the ginger with the freshness, yes, that's exactly what I kind of picked up when I first sprayed on. But that only lasts for about an hour. And then in the middle notes, we have pink pepper, violet leaf, lavender, and vetiver. Usually pink pepper is not usually in the middle notes. It's usually in the top notes, kind of to wake up the fragrance a little bit. But I think that's where I was picking up that little bit of spiciness. After the hour and a half mark, it got a little spicy. And the lavender and the vetiver, yeah, that's exactly what it smells like. so far it's playing on key. And then in the base notes, it was vanilla, it's amber, teakwood, and myrrh. Now the teakwood is actually what I smell completely in the dry down. It smells like comforting type of wood. like a sweet wood. It's hard to explain. It kind of reminds me of one of the Bath and Body fragrances. I think it's called teak wood. It kind of reminded me a little bit of that. Not that it smells like that. It was a clone of that. It just kind of reminded me of that scent. And yeah, and the myrrh. That's the other part that kind of maybe was a little bit spicy also, where that smelled like it was a little resinous. But yeah, all right. All that to say that this is a good fragrance. It is discontinued, so you probably have to pay a pretty penny for it. For me, I don't know if I would say it's worth like the price that it's going for now, like $300, $400. I don't know if I would pay that much for this scent profile, even though it's different and it stands out a little bit, but the performance of it is kind of going to hold me back from paying that much of my own money for it. So yeah, but if you're interested in the scent, try to get a sample of it, or before you actually engage and jump in and get a full bottle and see how it works for you. Get a small little sample, like maybe a 5 milliliter. That's all you need. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this ride along with a discontinued fragrance. I think this is the first discontinued fragrance that I've done as a ride along. Jay-Z Gold. Good fragrance. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.